Hi and welcome to Doors System Blueprint. In this video, we will recover how this system works. So let's start from here. So the first door with us, it's closed already. So if I pressed E, we will see that I have this message, press E to interact. And if when I press E, the door is locked. So we have this message, the door is locked. So I'm unable to open this door anyway. The other door now is the normal door. When I press E, this door will be open to the other side of the player. It will stay open till I leave the area. Now, the third door closed from backside. So when I press E now, we will have this message, the door locked from the other side. So the only way to open this door is to open it from the other side. So let's go. And now from here, we will press E and the door unlocked. The fourth one here closed and it needs a key. So when I press E, it will tell me you need office key to unlock this door. So let's go and pick up the key and go back to the door now and press E. The door unlocked and the door of course will open. Now this for the normal door. Now let's try the sliding door. This is just one door and it's the type of sliding door. This one will open to the left. This one will open to the right. And this door will be automatic open as we see. And now the double siding door auto open, just like the supermarket or the malls. And now double sliding door but with interactive. So I have to interact to open this door. And finally, we have the normal door but double. And this one is locked with the key. So I have to press the key and unlock the door. Now, this all type of doors, extra to this package, you will have like the giant door. This door cannot be opened. Maybe it's a puzzle in your game and you have to press a button like this just to open this gate. So this is the system. Let's see now how it's work. Let's go to the first door here. And we will see in the right hand here that the door is locked. Let's place a new one. To place a new door, you have to go to Content, Doors System, Blueprint, Doors, and place Blueprint Doors System to your level. You will see this lock. This lock will let you understand if this door is locked or not. So in this case, it's unlocked. So it's easy to open this door. When I press door locked, we will see that both sides now are locked. And if I pressed need a key, I have to rename a key here. So let's say this will be living room. Key, and make sure to copy the key name and now go to the content, blueprints, keys and buttons. I need this one, place it in your level, and here the key information, we can just press Ctrl V and we have the name. So now, if I came to this door and try to open, I will have you need living room key. And when I pick this key, this door will unlock. As simple as it is. So let me now remove this key and return to our door. I will remove need key, and now I will move to locked from other side. When I press it, we will see that this side is locked and this side is unlocked. And if I pressed locked side A or B, automatic it will flip the locked side to the other side, as you see. Very easy. Now, extra to this, I have the option to make this door sliding. So I can press sliding door and automatic we will switch from the lock to sliding door. It shows you how it will open. So this one will open to the right. I can flip the size also, or the axis from this one. And I can make it to auto open, but make sure if you select it auto open, this will not work, door locked. So let me remove now locked. If you need to replace this 3D model, it's very easy. Go down and you will find your door model. Here you can place your 3D model of the door, and also you can add a frame. So maybe I need to add a frame like this, and as you can see, sometimes the 3D model will come rotated. So just go to the door frame transform and rotate it on the Z axis to 90 degree. And that's it. Very easy. Okay. Let's say that your door is slow and maybe you need it to open faster. So how we can make it? You have to dive inside the blueprints. So let's go and open the blueprint editor. And here you will see all the blueprint for this system. We need the open process. This is the yellow one. The door opening is set to be open in 2 seconds. If you need it to be faster, so all what you have to do is to go to this one, timeline, double click, and from here you can just change this one from 2 to 1 second. And of course, don't forget even the length to change it to the same time. And let's try now how it will be. Now the door is much faster than before. Okay. Now, this system is very easy, so you can make many changes for this one. So again, let's dive to the sliding door. This is the sliding door. Also, this is the timeline. If you need to make it faster, you can play with these two. As you can see, it's one set for the open axis and the other one is for the close axis. Now, to make this system work on your game, it's very easy. I put it here for your information that it's to apply this system to work, you have only to add the blueprint interface to your player character, which is very easy. Go to your player. Now in this demo, we have the third person character. Instead of this character, you will go to your blueprint for your special character. And from there, you will go to class setting. Then from interfaces, implement interfaces, place add and search for the interact, and you have to add it. Now, because it's already added, I cannot add it again, but you will just add the same name. Then you have to make a new array and call it exactly like this, keys, and make it variable of type text, and from here choose array. This system is just a beginning, and of course I will be updating this system every time with a new things and a new improvement. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.